Hi again, everybody. It's Jason from Rangeland RV, and I'm down in Elkhart, Indiana at the 11th annual Forest River Expo, and I'm in definitely one of the busiest displays at the show. This is the No Boundaries, the new 2019 NoBos, and they're spectacular. We're really excited at Rangeland to be the new Alberta dealer of this product. Just really excited. What I'm here showing you guys right now is the 2019 bunk model. This is the 19.7. Do a quick walk around the outside here. So immediately what you see on the No Boundaries is that great off-road look, ladder up to the walkable roof, standard Rhino rack, which is really cool because it'll accept a number of different attachments. If we look up at the unit that we're looking at right now, you can see that this one's all set up with the full-on kayak carriers, a couple kayaks, a couple mountain bikes up there, just ready to get off the beaten path. You'll see this also has the Torflex torsion axle system with the 15-inch off-road tire on it. Makes it really rugged, makes it really durable. Cushions that ride when you're going down those bumpy roads. This is fully laminated, so an aluminum cage, and they use the Asdel composite wallboard. The Asdel, unlike your wooden Luan backer and your laminated coaches, is a composite wallboard, which is much stronger, offers more insulation, and it's not water permeable, so it makes this coach, it's going to last longer. It also really bonds well to fiberglass, so when they're laminating, you're going to ensure that you don't have to worry about delamination or issues like that. Let's walk inside the 19.7, show you a great floor plan. So what we have here is an east-west queen bed. Lots of cabinets, overhead cabinet storage. You can see what they do is they backlight it, gives it a really sharp look. And we have an L-style dinette here, which will convert into another sleeping area, but it really opens the coach up. This is 3,600 pounds in this trailer. No slide out. There is a ton of storage in this. You got your bunks. They're a 300-pound bunk capacity, so they're building this trailer over the top. It's all hidden hinge cabinetry. Really, really stylish. Air conditioning, 6 cubic foot fridge, stainless steel sink basin. They've done a great job with the bathroom in this coach too. So you see lots of additional storage. A shower with a little bit of a basin, so even if you have a small kid, you could do a bath in this one. Swing back, give you a great look at this coach. We're really excited to be the new Alberta NoBo dealer, and can't wait for you guys to come down and visit us so you can go on a walkthrough in person through the new 2019 No Boundaries 19.7. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and become part of our YouTube channel so we can send you lots and lots of videos to come. Happy camping.